Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I will show how to make brinjal chutney LG micro. Let's see the ingredients. Just I cutted them into 4 pieces like this and some brush the oil. Okay, how to boil in the micro. I'll keep inside with the low rack. This. Okay, kept inside and keeping in the micro for 6 minutes. Still 9 seconds is there. Yes. See how the brinjal will be. It will be totally, completely, it will be cooked. From this we can add some spices like chili flakes or some salt, sauce, everything you add. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box.